In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make these foldable V-flats for your studio. Let's get started. The foam boards that I went with are the Crescent 32 by 40 inch with a 3/16 thickness. I got them from Hobby Lobby, but you can also find them at Blick, Staples, and other stores. You will need a multi-purpose spray adhesive such as this one by Gorilla or the 3M Super 77. Some black and white gaffer tape, black and white velcro fasteners with adhesive, or you can get creative and use magnets or whatever you can come up with to hold them together. Make sure to start with the black foam board since it's easier to see where you sprayed the adhesive. Make sure to spray the edges well so they don't peel later, and spray a fair amount throughout the board. Place a white board over it while trying to make sure they are aligned as much as possible. Press firmly around the edge and center of the boards using both hands. Repeat the process until you have 4 double-sided board pieces to make one V-flat. Next, we are going to tape 2 board pieces together. It doesn't matter which color you start off with since they are reversible. Just make sure you have 2 of the same color facing on the inside. In this case, both white pieces were facing out, so I added white gaffer tape to tape them together. Make sure the tape is flush right against the edge, and make sure to cut off the edge pieces. The next step is to fold the board and add tape to the opposite side. Here's how it should look like once you tape both sides. Make sure to flip the board like this so it looks like a book. You will now be adding the flaps that will fold up. I made sure that we have the same colors facing each other on the inside before taping. Next, we will flip it over so we can tape the opposite side. And make sure to repeat the same process for the other flap. Once both flaps are complete, we can add Velcro to hold the 2 pieces together. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more photography related videos.